The 2026 Opel Mokka comes in an electric version, a more efficient GSE variant, an internal combustion engine, ICE, and a mild hybrid option. The new models have a sleek, fresh look and a modern interior. The 2026 Opel Mokka has a wide choice of powertrain options, including electric, hybrid, and internal combustion engines, as well as the new, more economical Mokka GSE electric variant. The 2026 Mokka GSE is the quickest electric Opel to date, with 280 horsepower and 345 newton-meters of torque from a 54 kilowatt-hour battery. The 2026 Mokka mild hybrid version is also available, which combines a 1.2-liter turbocharged petrol engine with an electric motor. The Mokka boasts a modern cabin with a digital pure panel interface and innovative, ecologically friendly materials. The 2026 Opel Mokka keeps its stylish and sporty appearance, as well as the sportier GSE trim and chassis modifications. The standard trims are Design, GS, and Ultimate, which contain features such matrix LED headlights and advanced driver assistance systems available on higher-end vehicles. The Opel Mokka electric motor is combined with a 54 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery, allowing for quick acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 5.9 seconds. The standard Mokka electric features a more efficient 100 kilowatts, 136 horsepower, electric motor and a larger 54 kilowatt-hour battery, resulting in an increased WLTP range of up to 406 kilometers. The 2026 Opel Mokka interior is distinguished by a non-toxic style, centered on a clean, dual-screen Opel Pure Panel digital cockpit. This modern system reduces clutter by condensing most controls into two huge, seamlessly integrated digital screens, while maintaining physical controls for critical operations like climate control. Drivers can personalize the display layout, and the new entertainment system also includes wireless smartphone integration and optional link navigation with over-the-air updates. Soft dashboards and recycled content fabrics are common interior materials. The cockpit of the 2026 Mokka GSE model features yellow highlights, Alcantara trim, and a flat, low-profile steering wheel. The Mokka's cabin is designed for comfy, driver-friendly seats. Large door bins, a glove box, and a center console with a phone holder and wireless charging are available in higher trim levels. Although the front seats are spacious, tall adults may find the back seats tight. The normal boot holds 350 liters of goods, which expands to more than 1,100 liters with the 40/60 split-folding rear seats, while the Mokka Electric has 310 liters less due to the battery's position. The 2026 Opel Mokka boasts a slew of safety features, including IntelliLux LED matrix lights that automatically adjust to traffic to ensure optimal visibility without blinding other drivers. The Mokka features standard or widely available safety technology such as automatic emergency braking, AEB, with pedestrian recognition, active lane keep assist, LKA, lane departure warning, LDW, and speed sign recognition. Other possible options include a 180-degree panoramic rear-view camera, advanced park assist, and adaptive cruise control. The high-performance electric 2026 Opel Mokka GSE Rally features FIA-compliant roll cage and a fire suppression system.